Hey guys, it's me, and I'm vlogging from my phone because the camera is charging. Okay, camera batteries are charging. Today is family day. Yesterday was Valentine's Day. So I hope you guys had a great Valentine's Day, whether you spent it by yourself or with your significant other. My Valentine's Day was amazing. Famous and I did like a virtual date night. So we had everything planned, from like games to food to questions to movies to figuring out more about ourselves. The game that we played was called Convo and Chill, and when we're back together, we're actually going to film a video with this game. So we only did a few of the questions because there's a lot of juicy questions in here. I actually won this in a giveaway from my friend Jessica and Blaine. So you guys should also go subscribe to their YouTube channel. I'm going to put it somewhere up there. I won that in a giveaway, and I won some like a Visa gift card and like a cup and all of that stuff. It was amazing. So I'm getting ready to go and pick up some Jamaican food. I'm gonna do a mukbang. I told you guys in the last one I was gonna do a taco mukbang, but I'm tacoed out. I had tacos on Friday. I had a taco on Friday, lettuce tacos. I had tacos at my brother's house on Saturday, and I had quesadilla last night. And I'm talking about, and I had taco takeout. I think I had tacos 4 times within the past 3 or 4 days. So no, I had tacos. Let me lie. I lied. Lettuce tacos on Thursday, taco takeout on Friday, tacos at my brother's house on Saturday, and I had quesadillas last night. No. So today I'm gonna go to this Jamaican restaurant called Don's Caribbean Jerk restaurant. So the first time I had their food was at my brother's house, and I'm like, wow, this is the best like Caribbean food that I've had in the GTA. So I'm gonna go there and try their food. And I'm being a little rebellious today. I ordered escabeche fish and festival. Y'all know I was off the meat for a while, and now I've been saying I follow a vegan diet. So I'm not 100% vegan anymore because it was making me lose too much weight. And I'm trying to stay in between 135 and 140, and I find myself going below 134. So I need to, you know, maintain. I'm not saying I'm trying to eat bad, but sis gotta eat. And I ordered oxtail with yam and banana. Yum. So I'm gonna do a mukbang. And the only reason why I want to do a mukbang, oh, and I'm waist training, is because like I feel like I've disappeared off of this channel for a while, and there wasn't really an explanation. Like, I know I talked about it a little bit in the last vlog, but I kind of want to talk to you guys a little bit more and kind of just talk about some random stuff and just what I've been up to. You know, this year was supposed to be my year to do better things, and instead of that happening, I hit a point of just feeling negative all around, and I don't like that. Here looks very messy and disgusting. You know, I had a cocktail kit. So Famous and I were like making drinks and like drinking. This was a full bottle last night. Okay. I had like triple sec, syrup. Like I was making all these fancy drinks. So it's family day. It's a holiday. And it's kind of just like, you know, I don't really feel like doing work really. I was trading this morning, and it went well. But I don't feel like doing work today really. So I planned out my content for the week, and hopefully I can get that started anywhere between like today and maybe tomorrow and throughout the week as well. So this is just going to be the vlog portion of the mukbang, and then you guys are just going to have to wait for the actual mukbang to go out, because I got to charge like all these cameras. I was going to use the big camera to film it, but I think I'm just going to use a vlog camera. All right, guys, so going to my car. My building has been doing like a lot of renovations. Oh, this is so sweet. Okay, so right here, I had like a little sticky and it fell off, and somebody made me a little dino thing. I don't know how they know my last name, unless my last name was on the sticker. These people are really sweet. Like, I know people that have been living here for over 10 years, and they're just really sweet. So I'm going to my car right now, and we have some noisy ass neighbors upstairs, guys. Some people moved up above us, and we've always said that apartment is cursed because we always get noisy ass neighbors. But these people brought the ghetto to Meadowvale. Like, my area is very like suburb like and the police have been called to my apartment 3 times within the past month. I think like the guy or whatever, the girl and the guy up there, or the roommates, they're young. I think they're either around my age or younger. They are beating up on each other, fighting, you know, screaming, yelling. And I think the tenants upstairs called the police twice. The police actually got called, I think, yesterday night. I was hearing bare noise and I was cussing because I'm like, yo, I'm trying to sleep. This is ridiculous. They're making hella noise, only to find out in the morning when I was hearing like the window open and close. The girl upstairs was throwing the guy's brand new Jordans and Nikes through the window. So when the police came, they asked my mom, like, did you call the police? And my mom was like, no. And when they looked on the ground, they saw boxes of brand new sneakers. So she was throwing his stuff over the balcony. So I'm like, y'all are crazy. The police automatically started laughing because they're like, this is ridiculous now. So I don't think they're going to last long. I think they're either going to get evicted or something, because like the people that live in this area are not like that. Like we don't, it's not like. All right, guys, I have you like on the passenger side because this side is blocking my good side. And yeah, so yeah, it's just crazy. Like we've never ever had issues like this ever. Like the most we've had is like, you know, older people with younger kids, like not older people but people with kids, and like, you know, the kids are running up and down in the daytime. Or like the last people that we had up there like was driving me crazy because I could hear the kid crying, and this is like a Noah's age, like bawling, and I'm like, oh my gosh. It's either he was like falling off the bed at nighttime and like crying, and I get it, but the insulation in our apartment is just terrible. I know what it's like to live by myself, especially in an apartment, and I never had issues like this when I was living in my last high-rise. Like never had issues in terms of sound. So this is just a little bit ridiculous. So y'all know that I got my plan and everything. But yeah, so anyways, I'm heading to Don's Caribbean jerk restaurant right now, and I'm gonna have to stop vlogging because I don't know how to get there and I need the GPS on my phone. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Today's a perfect day. I brought it up to Famous. He's just like, just do it. I'm hungry anyways, so why not? You know, I was gonna work out. I don't feel like working out today. And if I do, I'll probably work out in the evening. Famous and I have been working out together. We're doing 30 days together. So we were 2 days out of our 30, Monday through Friday. So I think he said he wanted to work out today, but I think he's doing something. I think he's vlogging today too, so I'm not sure. I've been trying to go to my bed early, so before 12 o'clock. So we try and get like whatever we have to get done before midnight or whatever. And yeah, like besides that, Celeste and I are supposed to link up and do some videos. We want to do a mukbang together from this food place called Dave's Hotspot. More takeout, guys, oh lord. But we're supposed to do a mukbang, and I want us to do like another accent challenge. I know we did the accent challenge like over a year ago and it was really funny. So I think we're gonna do I want us to do another one of those, and we have some things planned. Hopefully I can bring it to the channel, but we've been brainstorming and just talking about like real adult life, you know what I'm saying? And it's great when you have like childhood friends that you can still connect with and have real life conversations with, because Celeste and I have been friends since the day we were born, you know what I'm saying? Like church, parents know each other, and we've just grown together. It's great to have long-term friends, childhood friends that you're able to still grow with even after, you know, being years old. So yeah, besides that, like, you know, life's been great, I guess. Things have been great, but I don't want to chat all my business. I'm gonna hold it out for the mukbang. All right, guys, I've secured the bags. I got chicken soup for Noah because we might want that for dinner later. Leave it on the floor because you know how that goes. I don't want to spill. And I got my food. I got my oxtail and my food, coleslaw, my fish and my festival, and I got a fruit punch because last night I had guava juice. Yeah, last night I had guava juice when Famous and I were drinking, so I think I'm all right on that. I need to empty this garbage too. I'm excited to eat. I'm starving, but yeah, I want to vlog while I drive, guys, but I need the GPS. I don't really need the GPS. I take the 410 to the 407. I don't need the GPS, y'all. Let's talk. Let me plug this out. I was gonna listen to music. Actually, no, because if I talk to you guys, I'm gonna tell you guys everything that I want to discuss in the mukbang. How are you guys doing? How are you feeling? You know, today's a blessed day. You know what I'm saying? I'm happy to be alive. Let me go this way. I'm happy to be alive. God is good. All the time, God is good. Yeah, like, I don't know. How do I get back out? I think I go around. Oh, I can go this way. I'm gonna tell you guys this. So I know you guys know me to be like, oh, I can't go this way. I know you guys know me to be like, can I go this way? No, I can't. Vegan or whatever, but I need to cut that out because my body is like getting really picky now, and it's gotten to a point where even when I consume carbs and stuff like that, I'm not maintaining my weight. I will be up on the scale like a good 3 to 4 pounds, and I'd be like, yeah, woo, we're doing this, yeah, woo, and give it 2 or 3 days, I'm back to 135, 134, and it's kind of just like, nah, this is not what we're trying to do. I know I still have curves and stuff, which I'm super grateful for. Like, I still have a shape, but I don't want to be like too skinny. I really don't want to be too skinny. Maybe for some, like a lot of people are saying that I'm way too skinny. You know, I've lost too much. My food was about to fly away. You know, I've lost too much weight and all of that stuff, but it's kind of like peer poison. You want me to be fat or you want me to be skinny? You're not gonna sit up here and call me fat, and when I lose weight and I feel comfortable and I look good, it's not good enough for you. I'm not doing it for you, okay? Don't come up here and tell me I'm too skinny. Like, I know it's skinny for you guys because you guys are used to seeing me more full-figured, full face, all that stuff, and for me, like, I got a jawline now. So this got a jawline, and you know, we have a waist, and you know, along with weight loss came some insecurities. Like, I lost my boobs, I lost my bum, like a lot of the things that defined my shape I lost, and I myself already had to deal with that insecurity. You know what I'm saying? At least when I was thick, like bigger, I could have at least said like, oh, I have the ass and the tits to match. Scratch. I went from a triple D to an A/B cup to having no booty. You know what I'm saying? So it's kind of, yeah, like this person really freaked out. My car was trying to stop. But yeah, so it's kind of crazy that the lengths that people will go to discourage you, but you really have to just stand your ground and be like, nah, this is for me. So I myself know that I would be happier maintaining my weight between 135 pounds to 140, or even 137 to 140, because I know that I'm working out. I know that I don't have to step on the scale because I feel good, I look good, and I know that I haven't gained a significant amount of weight where it's like, okay, I need to step on the scale now, I need to see where I'm at. So yeah, like, it's just crazy. You really just gotta do things for you and screw everybody else, screw what they think. But yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog because I feel like I'm going to like continue spilling the beans on my mukbang, and I really just should zip my lips. I'm about to get on this good old highway. I really hate, if you live in the GTA, tell me if you guys hate driving on the 410. I feel like the 410 is the worst highway to drive on. Like, 410 is number 1, 427 is number 2, and 401 is number 3. I like the 401. I never have any issues on the 401, but 410, people drive like maniacs. 427 is the same thing because you're transitioning from the 427 to maybe the QEW to the Gardner Express. It's just a hot mess. And then the 407, a lot of people don't want to pay for the toll, but I'm the type of person, I'm big on like investments, and just, I don't like to waste my time. Like, if I see something that's worth buying, I'm gonna buy it. So I have a transponder that I use to use the toll highway because I don't like sitting in traffic. I don't have the patience. So for me, someone that doesn't have patience, I will use a transponder, save a little money, pay the toll, and get to my destination faster and safer. And 401 freaks me out. Not the 401, the 410 freaks me out, which I'm on right now, and the 427, that's a whole nother story. It's like fast paced because you have people transferring from the 401 to the 427 going towards downtown, and then it's just a mess. I'm hungry, you know, I'm smelling this food and my belly's going, so I'm gonna end this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's not much, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'm gonna go home and film this good old mukbang. You know, I have my workout clothes on, but off and switch into something more comfy, put my hair in a ponytail, you know, all that stuff, bring some kind of comfy vibes to the channel, and just talk and vibe out and eat with you guys. I don't know how long the video is, but I'm going to try and do uncut, because I feel like mukbangs are more real when they're uncut, and it's going to be long. Some people might be there for a long time, some people may not be, but I'm gonna post it anyways, and hopefully I can get the momentum going on my channel again. I'm not out here trying to promise anything again, you know, like I tried Vlogmas, I was steady for a few weeks and I fell off because depression hit hard, but you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna try and keep uploading as much as I can, because it's you know, wow, these people are really crazy. That's why I don't like driving on the 410. It's kind of like, you know, I've realized that I'm overthinking my channel, and a lot of you guys really just want to see me, or like watching my videos kind of make your day in a sense, and it's crazy. I love that and I appreciate that. So I'm just gonna keep posting no matter what it is, you know, as long as it's sensible content. I'm not just gonna post foolishness, you know. I'm gonna keep posting, and I know because it's winter, it makes it a lot harder to kind of come up with creative things when it's so cold outside, and COVID doesn't make it any better, because I wanted to do like tubing, I wanted to do snowboarding, like Blue Mountain stuff, and COVID and this lockdown is just, it's not a good time. So I'm hoping that by summer, you know, if the vaccine is not, it's not mandatory, but if the vaccine doesn't stop me from partaking in certain activities, I'm hoping that, you know, be better, because I don't plan on taking the vaccine, but I know that you won't be able to partake in certain activities if you don't take the vaccine. And, you know, last summer Celeste and I were able to like go to the beach and like have a good day. So I'm hoping that when it gets warmer, we'll be able to do stuff like that, maybe hiking, tree trekking, stuff like that. But I'm gonna end this vlog because I'm just doing a lot of this, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.